Welcome back after a 2-month break. I'm so excited to cook with you again. Today I'll show you how to make a rich and flavorful fresh tilapia fish stew with a whole sukuma wiki in a clay pot over a charcoal stove. Let's get started. Here are our ingredients: onions, black pepper, tomatoes, cubes and Royco. We have garlic and green pepper, coriander and sukuma wiki. This is our fish we are going to prepare. I removed the gill covers because they can trap dirt and blood, giving the fish a strong smell. Then I wash each fish thoroughly with clean water to remove any remaining impurities before setting them aside. Next, I press my clay pot over the charcoal stove and allow it to heat gently. I add in cooking oil, I add in chopped onions and saute them until they become soft. This releases their natural sweetness and creates a flavorful base for our stew. Now I add the diced garlic. Garlic gives the stew a rich aroma and deepens the overall flavor. Stir it briefly so it doesn't burn. I add the cubes. The cubes boost the savory taste. I add in black pepper. Black pepper adds a gentle warmth without overpowering the fish. Next, I add the diced tomatoes and stir everything together. Then I season with salt. I cover the pot and let the tomatoes simmer until they soften. Simmering helps the tomatoes break down into rich and natural sauce that forms the base of our stew. Once the tomatoes are well cooked, I stir the mixture. I pour in the right amount of water. This creates a flavorful broth for the fish to cook in. Now I carefully press each fish into the pot, one at a time. Placing them gently helps keep the fish whole during the cooking. Next, I mix the Royco with a little amount of water before adding it to the stew. Dissolving it fast helps it to spread evenly throughout the soup, giving every fish the same delicious flavor. Next, I add the whole sukuma wiki, leaving the leaves uncut, help them stay fresh looking and prevent them from becoming too soft during the cooking. I gently stir. After a few minutes, I add the green pepper. Green pepper is added near the end so it stays slightly crispy and keeps its fresh flavor. Finally, I garnish with fresh chopped coriander. Coriander adds a fresh aroma and bright flavor that completes this delicious fish stew. And that is it. Our traditional fresh tilapia fish stew is ready to serve. It's rich, flavorful, and pairs perfectly with ugali, matoke, rice, or boiled cassava. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm so happy to be back after my break. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious veg cooking meals and homemade. I'll see you in the next recipe.